All right, so we gotta hook this copper to the ground. I had to put the old bolts back in because the new ones was too big. This box wasn't deep enough for this ground screw that they gave me, so I had to cut the screw. Pretty hard job, but I got it done. And so we're putting up the new lights. The new light, that's the old light. We're putting up the new light. Okay. Okay, so I stripped back the wires as best as I could. Tried to solder a little bit, but the solder wasn't working. Burned off that one because it just wouldn't pull off. But hey, we got it. We gonna put it up. Black goes to black, white goes to white. And then the ground is already up there. All right, so we got it up there with our little makeshift boards, so it can stay up there. Try to get this thing hooked up. Got the white, and we got the black. And we about to hook it up to the white and to the black. And it's already got the ground. All right. White, black, and ground. It's that easy. Badaw. Now we gotta screw these on to the ends to connect it. Ooh, let's get it. Looking good. Both systems are working. All right, all right, all right. There you go. We good. Now we need to mount it. All right. Got my handy dandy. So I can go ahead and get that screw back there screwed in, you know what I'm saying? That screw right there. Screwed in the center right there. Right there, right there. Right there. Man with the tools rules, I tell you. Now the finished product. And it is finished.